So I have tested more than 100 plus AI tools alone last year. Most of them completely waste of time. But these 10 AI tools, they will literally give me more than 20 plus hours every week. So I run the AI company and the content creation team. So instead of increasing the head count, I increase the more and more AI tool, which gives me my time back. So I'm talking about real AI tools, which I use every single day. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So the first tool is the Wispr Flow. So Wispr Flow is the voice to text tool, which replaces your keyboard. So let's say, for example, you say, let's have a meeting at 10 p.m. No, let's have a meeting at 9 p.m. So instead of writing this whole sentence, it would write, let's have a meeting at 9 p.m. It understands the whole context and then write it. Another example might be, there might be a pointer which you need to make. So instead of writing everything in a single sentence, it would write everything in a proper pointer wise and write it over there. And it works across all the apps. It could be ChatGPT, it could be Claude, it could be your any IDE. It would work everywhere. Wherever there is a option to write it, Wispr Flow will work over there. If you are a content creator, developer, scriptwriter, Wispr Flow is for you. Anyone who thinks faster than writing, they can use the Wispr Flow. Let me show you the real example. This is my Wispr Flow dashboard. So alone in 22 days, I have spoken around 1 lakh words. And if you see, and each and every day, I use Wispr Flow to write something. So instead of typing, I have almost replaced the typing with speaking. The second is cursor. I am a developer and I love coding, but the traditional way of writing the code each and every single line is gone. Now the vibe coding is the new era where you understand what the AI is writing and then you fix it. Cursor is the AI powered code editor which understands your entire code base. It can do the coding, editing, debugging, everything at a single place. If you are a developer or a non-developer, go to the cursor, share your idea, and it will convert your raw idea into the proper website format. I'll show you my usage of cursor. In the last 30 days, as you can see, around 30 million token I have used inside the cursor. So I'm using the pro version of the cursor. I have used around 30 million token over here. So let's talk about third tool, which is NA10. So you all might be knowing how big of a fan of I am NA10. My whole YouTube content is regarding the NA10 now. So the NA10 is a low code open source automation tool. So you might be thinking, why should I move from Zapier or Make to NA10? Because NA10 is the open source. Instead of Zapier and Make keeping your all the data within their own server, you can host NA10 in your own server and have the control of your own data. If you are a business owner who want to automate your business, if you are a content creator who want to streamline their processes, if you are anyone who want to automate anything, that can be done in the NA10. Let me show you my NA10 dashboard over here. So you can see how many automation I create each and every day. I help myself to streamline my process through automating and also help my client to grow their businesses using NA10. Now the fourth tool is Gamma. So Gamma is the AI presentation builder. So you just share your thought which you are having in your mind. It will convert that into a beautiful presentable PPT, which you can share with your client, you can share with your colleagues, you can do the proper meeting in your businesses with their presentation. So instead of textual meeting, it's always good to have a meeting where there can be images or the word speaking to you, because it makes more impact over there. This is the one of the PPT which I just shared with my client for the requirement proposal out there. Earlier, we used to send the normal PDF where there was lots and lots of textual information, but now we convert that PDF into this beautiful PPT format and send to a client. And trust me, the conversion rate of converting my client into the paid client has increased a lot after using this particular tool. Now the fifth tool is the Claude. So each and every LLM has their own purpose. ChatGPT is good at something, Perplexity might be good at something, but the Claude is unbeatable in writing anything. The script which I'm seeing right now is somewhat given by the Claude. So if you are a technical person who wants to write the documentation, or if you are a content creator who want to have a great script, you can rely on Claude and it will give you a beautiful, amazing script which you can present in your content and the people will love it. And the sixth tool is the ChatGPT voice mode. So you might have figured out by now that I'm the person who loves speaking. So instead of writing, whenever I am in a stress or my mind is blocked, I go for a walk. And while walking, if I have any kind of idea which I want to discuss it, I just use a shortcut in my iPhone and it directly opens ChatGPT. And then I talk to the ChatGPT for more than 30 to 40 minutes. And at the end of the meeting with ChatGPT, now I'm clear what I really want. So instead of writing, which brings the friction, using the voice mode, I can see what I want and I can hear what I want from the ChatGPT and come to a conclusion. That's the power of ChatGPT voice mode. Now the seventh tool is the Notebook LLM. This is the product by Google, which is absolutely amazing. Where earlier you have so much chunk of data lying everywhere. Now you can bring all the chunk of data at one place, at the source inside the Notebook LM, and now you can chat with each and every source individually or combined. So you can fact check what each and every source is speaking and what should be the real fact you want to go with. I use Notebook LM for everything. So inside Notebook LM, you can generate the audio, video, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, infographic, slide deck, data table. so many things can be done inside the notebook LM. It is the one-stop solution for everything. And the eighth tool is Elevan Labs. All of you might have heard about the Elevan Labs because it's a very old tool out there, and it has dominated the voice cloning and the text-to-speech space for a long time. It is my go-to tool whenever I want to clone my voice, whenever I have made any fumble or I cannot speak any kind of a word out there. So my editor can go to this Elevan Lab tool, use my voice and write a script, and they can use it out there. So instead of me wasting my time coming back to the desk, recording it, now they can go to the Elevan Labs and they can clone it and they can use it out there. It's an amazing tool if you're a content creator, if you want to create a course and you have made some kind of a mistake, you can create your own voice from Elevan Labs. Now the ninth tool is the Heygen. Now we are cloning our voice, but what if I also want to clone my whole body out there? So instead of me coming over here in the desk, sitting it and speaking out there, I can clone myself, and this clone can be used exactly like me while I'm chilling somewhere. I was a no avatar clone person 6 months back, but this technology has grown so much that now I consider myself cloning myself instead of sitting in the desk and writing it. Currently it is me, but there are some times when I want to use my clone instead of wasting my time and speaking it. Combining Elevan Labs and the Heygen, you can create your own clone and voice, and you can do some more work out there and saving your time. And the 10th tool is Granola. This is a recent tool which I have found out, but it is an amazing tool. Now, Granola is not a tool like Fireflies. If you use Firefly, that particular tools come inside the meeting and start taking the notes. Now people might be thinking, who is this person or what is happening over here? Instead, Granola sit on your side and understand what you are speaking or other people are speaking. And other people does not know that you are kind of transcribing or taking notes. It's not for the security purpose, but you are taking the proper notes over there. And also you can add your own particular notes inside the Granola, and the Granola will take the meeting content and your notes and combine and give you proper transcribe out there. So no writing manually MOM. Just use Granola and your life will be much more simpler and you will get your time back. Let me know which all tools you are using and which all tool you will be using after this video. So I hope you might have liked this video and got some real information from this video. If you like the video, please press the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.